Hello guys, it is Newton here. Um, well, I have been started Nemesis Reborn, which is the first, and it's my first time attempt inverted coaster, which is going to be upside down. So I start off the station, as you probably see my community. Um, so So yeah, I can imagine it's going to be a challenge one because as mainly like it's not really as underground, but maybe some elements are. Um, so it's been raised up, but I may have to rise up a bit, but we'll see. And which I probably will happen, which I may have to rise it up a wee bit. But I have it right there on the now, but I probably will change it, but we'll see. So, yeah. And also I'm going to be do this Lego as well. Well, not in this video, but what I do is I'm going to build that and then I can start with this. Well, I mean, I can do it at the same time if I want as well. So I will show you another round and show you off the new station, the Nemesis Reborn. Well, here is, start off with the station, the Nemesis Reborn station. So yeah, as you can see, I'm using the other parts, which is quite black Knex parts. So yeah, and then that's where the people get on and off this bit here. And then that's when the car comes, and then that's when it starts. You know, go up the lift hill, and then it goes in the different elements, the cool, amazing elements. So, I would imagine this will take me a wee while, but I'm gonna do my best. It'd be definitely going outside for sure. I mean, it's going to be a big coaster. It's quite short. I mean, even though it's got quite a few of, you know, amazing elements, and then it has like, you know, inversions and all that kind of stuff. So, like as I said, I might have to rise that up a bit, maybe a bit up here. Well, maybe even up here. So, yeah, it might not, but it might happen. But at the moment, I don't know, but I just have it like that. I mean, it is, look, super duper cool, and I really love the way it looks like. And then you've got the tail as well, and then the body, and the jaggy stuff that sticks up, which is really cool, so I really like that. So I will see you in the next clip then. So I've been starting on the lift hill, so I will continue with that. So as you may hear, I mean, that wind and rain, the storm we get from the US, it's absolutely bad. So I think it's just as well it's not like this week, but it has been around about a week now, or is it going to be a week on Saturday? But it's either last week or last Saturday. But so yeah, I will continue with that. So here's the loop of Nemesis, and I've been added the two boosters. Well, I did try with one, So that'll only make it about from here, round about there. So I've been added that one and then it worked. So I'm going to show you this, the quick test, and then I can continue some more stuff. So all I've got to do is run here and it goes in another inversion, which is a corkscrew, and then the final turn, and that's it. The Nemesis Reborn, so it's nearly done. Oh, I cannot wait, man. As you can see, my room is a wee bit new, well, with my shelves, my Legos and stuff. I've got a new Legos the day, so I got them. So I will show you the test. It could be a bit noisy, but bear with me. Oh. Well, the Knex Nemesis Reborn is done. I'm really sorry that I can't do the final inversion, but instead I'm just making it a turn, and then it just straights back the station. So I'm hoping it works, hopefully, but I've no idea. So here it is. Well, as the other sections, the top landing, all that stuff. So yeah, like all I need to do is break in sections, and then it's just whatever ready to take outside and film it. So it will be out there. So yeah, I just can't believe it. I have to use the green ones because I ran out of black. Like, and that bucket is empty, so I have to use the green ones, but that's okay. I'm looking forward to this coaster. I mean, it's done. Like, all I need to do is put it outside and then put the track on it and then get it on video and take some pictures of it as well. It does look really cool. I don't know if I wanna add the arms of Nemesis. I might do it that, or maybe not, or maybe just leave it like that, but I think it's really cool. I mean, especially the eye part right here. Look at that, man. It just looks so cool. Like, I remember from the very start of it, and then I done most of the stuff. So I hope you guys like and enjoy the video, and put the comments down below. So enjoy the ride, and my first inverted coaster of 2025. that is my Knex Nemesis Recreation. And it's my second coaster and it's my first classic coaster of the year 2025. So I hope you enjoy. Looking forward to the other ones come up. So stay tuned. Bye.